How to sell clothes on Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can sell clothes on Poshmark, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to sell your clothes on Poshmark, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Poshmark application or even up your browser. Once you open up Poshmark.com and then you land on this web page that you can see over here, then what you want to do is just go ahead and then actually tap the sell icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be a cloth. It could be an item, an accessory, an appliance, or whatever else you prefer. All you have to do is the same way. You just have to make sure to list your clothes over here that you want to sell. So you can tap on add photo or video. You can just choose the cloth that you want to sell over here. Once you choose a cloth that you want to sell, you can just select the size like this. Once you select the size such as this, all you have to do is just tap the apply button over here. Once you tap on apply, you can select what title, what are you selling. In this case, you can just select a cloth over here, right? You can just select the title for your designer cloth, and then you can select the description, and under categories you can just select men's, and you can select fashion or whatever else you prefer. As you can see, it could be a shirt, a coat, a sweater, or whatever else you can actually prefer. Once you've done that, you should be able to successfully go ahead and then sell your clothes in it. This is how you can sell clothes on Poshmark. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.